Hey, good morning everybody. Out there in YouTube land. Got a pretty decent day, kind of overcast. Still high 70s, but I was gonna go dig some potatoes, so I thought I'd take you along. Yeah, I thought I'd show you a few things too. Coming along with in the wildflower garden, believe it or not, we do have some flowers. 2 so far. But they are looking better as far as weeds go. Chard is springing up nicely. My transplanted pepper plants are growing good. We've been eating onions, fresh young onions, and then my radishes are done. There's a couple more pepper plants. My morning glories and 4 o'clocks are really taking off. And sweet peas, I'm getting them trained up onto the fence, slowly but surely. We've had some rain, and the weeds have gotten ahead of me. Hard to keep up with it, so you just kind of learn to live with it as best you can. Rotor till, I'll probably rotor till for an hour or so today. I completely lost control of this section of grass, but I think I'm going to round up it and then till it under when it's dead. My tomato plants from seed are growing nicely. Got some blossoms. I've been pruning them, getting them ready. The broccoli is starting to take off nicely too. Once I got it weeded, that was a 2-hour chore. It's well behind everybody else, but it likes it in the fall too. And we've been eating green beans. Even these tiny little plants are kicking out some beans. But the trick is getting enough to make it to the kitchen. Actually, I was weeding out here and I noticed there was beans on them, so we've been eating a steady diet of lettuce. Oh yeah, you gotta check out these cukes and these dipper gourds. Couldn't quite get them all coming up on the fence, so it's going to be a tangled mess after a while. But oh, there's one. Yes. So I got some harvesting to do in here. I've been training these vines too as best I can, tucking them in, keep up and out of the pathway. Possible, but yeah, catch those on the way back. I'm getting a few peas. Let's see, where's those gray peas at? I'll show you over here. Yeah, they're plumping up pretty good. Pretty good clusters going. Sage. And I'm down here digging these potatoes up. They're pretty much browned up, dying, so I can get on to planting something else here maybe, or not. But I got a nice, pretty good sized tub full of potatoes so far. And the grubs are getting into some of them, but a lot of them are these nice, tasty. There's where a grub ate into one, but there's pretty good variety of size. So I figured rather than leave them too long, leave them. This is what I do. So it comes up. Nice little tender morsel. Double check. Oh, there. It's got a nice mound around this one. I think it's gonna have something. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful. Oh, I think that was a loner though. Oh, yeah. Hand-sized goodness there. But this, look at this grass. This is just crazy tall. Gets away from you. So, heck with it. Oh, cilantro. I saw on YouTube where if you plant cilantro with your potatoes, it's supposed to help keep away the potato bugs because of the aroma. Apparently they don't like cilantro. Oh! 2 more. So that's how you dig potatoes. And I could go on and on, but I won't. Look at that row of tomato plants. Those are way behind, but I planted them from seed too. And maybe I'll show you. Oops, hang on. I'm doing a little dance with the tripod, as you can tell. They're pretty good size. I was going to thin these all out and move them and everything, but I think what I'm going to do is just thin out the row a little bit. Or let them grow in a hell of a big cluster, who knows. It's a casual gardening scenario. Oh, we should go down this way since we're running a long-term video. And I'll show you the squash is going bananas. Yeah, banana squash. I've been getting these little Dixie hybrid. A lot of them. About 5 or 6 every day. I picked them pretty clean yesterday, so I probably can't show you one. These tasty little buggers. There's another one. And everything is really getting ready to go crazy. And there's some more nice broccoli right there. Another row. I believe this is going to be zucchini. Haven't seen anything yet. Look at the blossoms, aren't they just beautiful? Full of bees. Just bees everywhere. So, there you go. Another garden tour. It's nice to be able to be eating some of the food for a change. So anyway, I guess probably ought to turn on the sprinkler. So talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, right up here, click that little subscribe where it says subscribe, right up here, and then you won't ever miss another video. Like, why would you want to watch all of these? Anyway, thanks, bye.